helping? Are you helping? BJ is hanging out in the new sunflowers, which just popped. Absolutely stunning. Here's a very quick look at the 5,000 square foot garden on September the 3rd. I got quite a few watermelons in here. Ooh, look at that big old grasshopper. Yeah, get out of there. This is the Guatemalan blue squash. These are watermelons, gorgeous and huge. That's the biggest watermelon I've ever grown. Wish I knew what they were. I had tags down there somewhere. Yeah, see, these stink bugs are ruining this squash. I gotta go get the spray. Oh, there's some dark ones over here. Those may be, I don't know what they are. To look back and see what I grew. You know, this is a butternut, but it's awfully yellow. My goodness. And the vine is not even dead. But that's another butternut. This watermelon doesn't look too good on the end down here. Well, this Guatemalan squash is the bomb. Boy. I think this is the Chinese. Oh no. Is this the one you said had holes and the bugs? Oh lordy, look at all the bugs crawling all over that. Well, let them have it. Here's a nice butternut. And a bug underneath. One of the 3 little Cushaws we haven't cut yet. Not ready. This is another huge one. This has to be Chinese tropical. Two little Cushaws. This vine is dead. You can cut this one. An idea about this stuff?
No, I've got an idea about
okay.
placement of your small flowers.
Oh, okay, great.
I don't know.
These.
Let me run it by you.
Okay, this is the Egyptian spinach.
It is?
This is, and I am going to, Randy suggested pulling everything up by the roots and just hanging that up rather than trying to bundle it all and hang it up. So I'm going to hang it up. You're supposed to hang it up in a dark, dry place to dry all the leaves, and then I'll grind them up later. I just grabbed that filmy stuff. I thought that might protect it getting it up the hill. So this is the first harvest of Hutterite beans, and I'm going to pressure can those. I'm making a commitment. Oh. Here.
There you go. Two more.
Today's harvest, big harvest. Wow. All of these are going to have to be cured. Cushaw is a southern heirloom, and they say it's better than pumpkin for pumpkin pie. I almost think it's going to have to be hung up in the garage, you know? I mean, I can't take that in the house.
No, you can't take it in the house.
I need a barn, Randy. Can you build me a barn?
I can. If I had time, I would.
Hey everybody, Kaye here on the homestead, just heading back to the barn. We got a big storm coming and 8 days of forecasted rain. Thunderstorms starting in an hour. So I just wanted you to take a look at the few clips that I made this morning and enjoy what my garden looks like on September 3rd. Take a look. Okay, this is how I am drying the Egyptian spinach. I've got a fan in here that'll help to dry it. It is not completely dark in here. It would be better if it was, but it's going to be much less humid than the shop. So that's my plan for now. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, and especially sharing them.